Let S be an universal set and this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. A be a set. A is 1 2 3 4 and B is another set 3 4 5 6. Now we have to find A complement. Now this is universal set. This is A, this is B, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now A complement is universal set minus A. Universal set 1 to 10, U minus A, that means other than the elements of A. This one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B complement is other than B. One, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. A intersection B. That means common element between A and B. Common element of A and B is 3, 4. So 3, 4. A union B is common element of A and B, and which element lies in A or lies in B both. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A union B. Now A minus B. A minus B means common elements of A and B subtracted from A. Common element of A and B is 3, 4, which is subtracted from A. It becomes 1, 2. B minus A, common element of A and B is subtracted from B. This common element of A and B is 3, 4, is subtracted from B. It remains 5 and 6 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then A difference B. This is A difference B. A difference B means A minus B union of B minus A. By the Venn diagram, this one is become, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. A minus B is this one and this one. That means A minus B is 1, 2 and B minus A is 5, 6. So 1, 2, 5, 6. This is A difference B. Now we verify De Morgan's law. What is De Morgan's law? De Morgan's law is A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement, and A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement union B complement. For the first one, A union B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and complement of A union B just outside of A union B. Outside of A union B means from S minus A union B, or we can write S minus A union B. S minus A union B is outside of A union B is 7, 8, 9, 10. And A complement is outside of A. Outside of A is 5 6 7 8 9 10. B complement is outside of B. 1 2 7 8 9 10. So A complement intersection B complement is equals to common element of A complement and B complement. Common element of A complement and B complement is 7 8 9 10. Now see that A complement intersection B complement is equals to A union B whole complement. So we verify first law of De Morgan's law. Okay, then we verify second law of De Moivre's theorem. Second law is A intersection B whole complement equals to A complement intersection union B complement. So here A complement is 5 6 7 8, B complement is 1 2 3 7 8 9 10. So A intersection B is equals to 3 4. Here is 3 and 4 are common element of A and B. So complement of A intersection B complement is equals to 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10. And union of A complement union B complement is 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now you see that A complement union B complement is equals to A intersection B complement. So it verifies De Morgan's second theorem of De Morgan's law. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Let H and E be two sets represent number of people can speak in Hindi and English respectively. And S is the universal set. Now you see that here S is universal set. That means number of people in S is equals to 400. Now out of these 400 people, one of them can be speaking Hindi or either in speaking Hindi or in speaking English or in speaking both English and Hindi both. So NS equals to N of H union E. Now given N of H is equals to number of people speak in Hindi is equals to 250. N of E, it means number of people speak in English, that one is 200. Now we have to find n of H intersection E. That means number of people speak in Hindi and English both. By Venn diagram, n of H union E is equals to NH plus NE minus n of H intersection E. N of H union E is equals to n of H, that is 400. N of H is 250. N of E is 200. So n of H intersection E, that means n of H intersection E is equals to 450 minus 400 is equals to 50. In a market research group conducted a survey of 1000 consumers and reported that 720 consumers liked product A and 450 consumers liked product B. What is the least number that must have liked both products? This is universal set and this is like product A. People like product A. This is people like product B. Given NA means number of people like product A. This is 720. NB, it means number of people like product B, that is 450. And the research group conducted over 1000 consumers, that is number of people in universal set, it means number of people A union B. A union means they like either product A or product B, that means or only NS is equals to 1000. Now n of A intersection B. N of A intersection means number of people like both the product, and this one is NA plus NB minus n of A union B. Now NA is 720, this one is 450 minus n of A union B. 720 plus 450 is 1170 minus n of A union B. Now we have to find minimum value of n of A intersection B. That means we have to use maximum value of n of A union B. Minimum value of n of A intersection B. To find minimum value of A intersection B, then we have to use maximum value of n of A union B. Maximum value of A union B is universal set. So this one is 1170 minus 1000, that is 170 number of people liked both the products A and B.